Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect MT4 or MetaTrader 4 to Myfxbook. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to sign up to an account here on Myfxbook, and inside just click on the portfolio and add account. You then want to choose MetaTrader right here. You have MetaTrader 4 and 5, and you have different types of account like the live verified, the auto update, and the expert advisor. I'm going to be choosing the middle one right here, which is going to be free. And basically from there, you can then fill up the necessary information like your account name. In my case, I'm going to name this November. And then we have our broker right here. Now, this can depend on what type of broker you are using. In my case, I'm using the XM Global Limited. So I'll just simply select that right here. Unfortunately, my broker isn't supported here on Myfxbook, but you can just find out yours by going through a lot of broker right here that's recommended by them. So you can simply use something like this brokers right here. From there, you then want to enter your server for this specific broker. So for example, if your broker is specific broker, they have a demo server and live, and then you can just fill out the trader or account credentials for this specific account to the account number and the investor password. Now this will be your MetaTrader account number and the investor password. From there, you will be able to click on create account, and you have successfully connected MetaTrader 4 to Myfxbook. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.